I think the most important part is when usually hey, down the road I may looking about an expansion. I want to do kind of like something a little bit bigger. Really reach out in your community. Maybe the jobs are high already, and build relationships. So I think fundamentally it's not smart to go somewhere when you want something, where you almost like meet people for the first time. So really that networking part. Plus, I mean, anywhere, it doesn't matter how big your company is. If your company and your community, from my view, you have a responsibility to engage in the company. It's fundamentally the right thing, and then it will help you down the road. But invite the city manager wherever your company is, the mayor, the head of economic development. Give them a plan tour, give them a facility tour, share with them what you're doing, and they will probably even come up with some ideas how they can help you.